Okay, arriving Civitavecchia, approaching the turn to starboard here with about 10-11 knots. And this is hand steering, of course, and just following the predictor. Make sure the predictor is on the track line all the time. 60 RPMs on 3. Okay, entering breakwater, about 10 knots, and reducing the RPMs to 50 RPMs. Now 40 RPMs. Speed is down to 9 knots, and then the ship that is on the port side, this Norwegian Epic, according to pilot, we should not have more than 7 knots when passing that ship. In this port, it's important to remember that we are not allowed to open the shell gates until we are almost in position, and not until the pilot gives us instruction to open the shell gate. Okay, passing the Norwegian Epic, 7.3 knots, still coming down. RPMs is now 30 on all 3 pods. Okay, zero the center pod and turning the center pod 180 degrees, and port and starboard pod 90 degrees, actually facing it a little bit astern just to break the speed. 60 RPMs astern in the center pod. And the reason for this is because we have a medical emergency today, but otherwise we would have started slowing down a little bit earlier. But there's plenty of space ahead of us, so there's no issue. Again, we don't have full position since it's first time in this port for the season, but there is a mark there from previous years. Alright, then we are down to 0.8 knots, and the rest here is just fine-tuning. That is arrival with Oasis of the Seas to the port of Civitavecchia.